The ingredients are carefully blended to create a smooth and balanced base.
The mixture is then pasteurized to remove harmful bacteria and ensure safety.
This is where the magic happens. Flavors are added to create unique varieties.
The mixture is frozen while being churned, giving ice cream its creamy texture.
Different shapes and styles are created for a variety of products.
Every batch is tested to ensure perfect taste and quality.
And that's how ice cream is made, from simple ingredients to your favorite frozen treat.